This keyboard is a true masterpiece for aesthetics. With its built-in eagle eye lighting effects and sleek design, the Voyager X87 perfectly understands what keyboard beauty means. 87 key layout? Check. Stunning RGB effects? Double check. The lighting is so vibrant and dynamic that when you turn on the music sync mode, the vibe instantly skyrockets. It comes with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, supports tri-mode connection, and features full key hot swapping. Thanks to its 5-layer sound dampening and fill design, the typing experience is light, bouncy, and incredibly satisfying. Not to mention, it delivers that iconic Majang Clicky sound that enthusiasts love. Whether it's the sound, the features, or the feel, this keyboard screams premium at a mid-range price. It's a deal you really don't want to miss.